Is it filming?
Cookie.
Oh, what is it?
Cookie.
Oh, those are to color. We'll put those in your grandma bag for when we go out.
That's cookie.
No, that's not cookies, that's colors. You got some more bags to open. Are you getting too tired to open your bag?
How is it?
Okay, open it up. Let's see what that one is. Oh my, I wonder what's in there, Bella. What do you think?
Cookie and then the plate. What's it? For you.
What's it?
For you. For you.
For Bella.
For you.
Show Aunt Tara.
What is it, Boo?
Show it.
Hang them up. Hold them up.
DVDs, Aunt Tara. You
Wee.
better open some more presents.
Uh-oh.
You got more presents, Bella. Oh, what's this?
Solo.
Oh boy. Well, you can play with your DVDs later. What did you get? What's in there?
I want another one.
Okay.
Okay, another one's up there.
Oh, that's heavy. That looks so heavy.
I want to open the present. That's cute. That's the beautiful.
That's beautiful, Aunt Tara. What do you think that could be in there?
I think it is a book sign.
You think it is a book? What does it say?
I love you, Mommy.
Oh, how nice. What else you got over there?
I got one little baby monkey.
Okay, well, you better open the rest of your presents. You have more presents to open.
Yeah.
Over there on the floor. What's wrong? Well, come here. Is something wrong?
Yeah.
What's wrong?
I'm just another mirror.